Hi, are your parents home?
No, it's just me and my sister.
Oh good, well then let me in!
What was it?
It looks like our old neighbor who just got out of jail. Let's hide!
Get in there!
No.
Go in there!
What are we doing? Are you gonna do to us? Oh no! Please let us go!
Sit down! And don't either one of you think about moving!
Maybe we can reach that phone over there. It's right there.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Just a little closer. Okay, dial 911 and tell them where we are.
Help! Help! There's someone broke into our house. We live at Crestview Drive. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, you got us? Okay.
Quick, hurry!
Yeah, he's right outside. He's got a
Thank you.
sword. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Officer Tory, put your hands up.
I swear!
Let's go, tough guy. I got
I didn't do
flavor
anything.
for you. There you girls are. We're so happy to see you.
Oh, I'm glad you guys are safe.
Thank you so much. Yay!
And now, a special behind-the-scenes look at the physics behind The Last Meow.
Hi, I'm Allie, and I'm one of the producers from this film. Have you ever thought how physics affects everyday life? How about when the doorbell rings? When you hear it and you get up to answer the door, you're applying physics. When you press the button, you close an electric circuit, sending an electric signal to the bell. The electromagnets inside the bell are activated, causing the hammer to hit the side of the bell. This vibrates and sends sound waves through the house. When a piano key is pressed, it raises the lever which falls and strikes the strings inside the piano, sending sound waves through the air.
Hi, I'm Jordan and I'm the sound tech. Some physics behind the movie involve some of the noises, especially when you're walking across the floor. That's the sound of your feet hitting the floor, and then the floor reverberating, causing sound. The differences in footsteps can be caused by different types of floors. A harder floor produces a louder sound. While a softer floor produces a softer sound, just because it absorbs the vibration and it doesn't vibrate as much. Another sound includes when the criminal slams the door. That's because the door is slamming shut against the door jamb, causing the door jamb to vibrate back and forth. And this creates a sound that travels through the air and is able to be heard by your ears.
I'm Teresa, and I'm the head director for this film. Today I'll be talking about the physics behind the sounds. The scream you heard was air forcefully being blown against loosely closed vocal cords. The pressure built up from the air caused the covering of the cords to vibrate, causing sound. When the neighbor was searching for the girls, he accidentally hit the pots and pans. The hit caused them to vibrate, and the vibrations created the sound that occurred. All sounds have one thing in common, this being that the vibrations of an object makes every sound. When an object vibrates, it sends waves through the air. A wave is defined as an oscillation through a material. The vibrations in the air travel out from all directions of the object. They then reach our ears and the brain reads them as sounds.
No, not at all.
Officer Tori!
Please restart that. Please.
Just start it again.
No, okay.
Scarf came undone because the robber
Because the robber tried it the wrong way!
Thank you so much. We're so happy to
Can
see
you untie us, please? Can we
Did you get
redo
it?
that? That was so
Yeah.
long.
I know. It was like,
No, we're getting serious. We're good.
there you girls are. There you. Oh my god, it's never gonna end.